When is patient confidentiality considered privileged communication? Imagine sharing your deepest health concerns with a doctor, trusting they will keep your secrets safe. But when does that trust turn into privileged communication protected by law? Patient confidentiality is considered privileged communication when the law recognizes certain conversations between a patient and healthcare provider as protected from being forced to reveal in court. This means that information shared during diagnosis or treatment cannot be disclosed without the patient's permission. It's a legal shield that goes beyond the ethical duty of confidentiality, which is the healthcare provider's obligation not to share patient details without consent. This privilege is based on the special bond between the patient and the provider. It encourages honesty, so patients feel safe sharing sensitive information. Usually, privileged communication covers details obtained directly through medical diagnosis and treatment. But it's not absolute. Laws differ from place to place. Some states have clear laws defining doctor-patient privilege, while others may not recognize it fully. There are exceptions to this privilege. For example, if a healthcare provider suspects child abuse or sees an imminent threat to the patient or others, they are often required by law to report it. These mandated reporting laws override the privilege to protect vulnerable people or public safety. From an ethical point of view, confidentiality is a core principle that respects a patient's privacy and autonomy. Privileged communication supports this by giving legal backing to keep sensitive information private. Healthcare providers are expected to share only the minimum necessary information when lawfully required and to inform patients when possible. Patients have the right to decide who gets to see their health information, which reinforces their control over their own privacy. In practice, privileged communication mainly applies to conversations made during clinical care with doctors, nurses, or mental health professionals. It does not include overheard conversations or information unrelated to treatment. This privilege helps build trust, making patients more comfortable sharing details that are vital for accurate diagnosis and effective care. So, patient confidentiality becomes privileged communication when the law recognizes that certain medical information shared during treatment is protected from legal disclosure. This legal protection is rooted in respecting patient privacy and fostering trust in healthcare. It's important to remember that legal exceptions exist, especially when protecting minors, public safety, or when mandated reporting is required.